Hi, I'll give you a demo of Learncool platform today. Learncool platform can be used for doing internal knowledge sharing or doing training for another company. The problem that it solves for you in training situation is it, in case you have used multiple platforms like using traditional LMS for e-learning, using Loom for creating videos, Ali2 for creating audio podcast, WordPress for creating website, Blogger for creating blogs, using MailChimp or ActiveCampaign for doing email automation, using then using Facebook, WhatsApp group, Telegram group, LinkedIn group, then you already know what's the pain of actually manually coordinating between all of these. Do you? In case you do, you would realize the benefit of having simple to use but a comprehensive platform. And not only that, when you use all these different platforms, you also end up uh, paying for all the paid services in this case, which all add up as a fixed cost. With Learncool platform, you get a comprehensive solution, right? And with that, let me start with the demo. First, let me switch the view and let me go to Academy site. So this demo would be a high level demo. So I'll just be taking you through the whole website, which is Academy site, which we have created for Learncool, but your own Academy site would be not very much different from this. On Academy site, you get 5 things. One is the homepage or the training page. On the homepage, right at the top, you will see a announcement section, which you can completely customize and link to virtually anything in the world. The second thing below you see it is trainings, right? And these trainings could be paid, free, could be a virtual workshop where you're blending e-learning with a physical or classroom or virtual workshop training. And below that, you have blogs. Blogs are the ones which you have created on this platform: video blogs, audio blogs, regular blogs, and then events are listed on the homepage as well. So that is your homepage for your academy, right? It can be really nice way to attract attention and get people to get to your trainings. Yeah. So the second thing that you get is the library. And you can see at the bottom over here, you have all these 5 things. That is what I'm going through. So we have seen trainings. Now we are going to library. Library is where you create micro-learning content. Micro-learning content can look something like this, pretty much having several sections like getting started, blogs, micro-learning, and all these kind of stuff. And then if you are the creator of this site, or you're the business user of this academy, then you can click on three-dot menu and go on edit. And if you go on edit and click on add new subsection, you can see what are the different kinds of content you can add to a micro-learning content. You can very easily add YouTube content, or upload your own video, or add a quiz, or add a PDF, or add one of the blogs like video blog, audio blog, or regular blog that you have created on this platform itself, right? And the interface is very easy. So you just put in a title, you put in a link, you get a preview, you confirm that, and you just say that I want to add it. Pretty easy to use. So that is the second thing. So you can create these modules, and these modules also are of 4 types. So I'll just quickly put in something here, and I'll show you what are the kinds of module you can create. So there are 4 kinds of module you can create. Awareness modules are small little videos and articles that kind of increase the awareness about that. Why should they care for this particular training, right? Pre-work module is something that you share before the training, and automatically emails go out for all these, which increases your productivity. Training module is something which is the meat of your training, and it could be divided into sections related to the days that you're having those workshops. Again, combining your e-learning with your virtual workshops or classroom workshops. And then post-work module, again, is a way to send out assessment material, revision material over maybe 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 2 hours, 2 days, the whole Kirkpatrick model kind of thing, right? And that is the modules. Then after that, you have seen the training and you've seen the modules. Then the third thing that you can create is very nice. You can create a video blogging thing. So you can see over here, very nice thing where you can create, turn on the video. You can turn on the application sharing like this, and then switch between that and talk through it, and all quite nice stuff over there. Huh. Huh. Yeah. And I got confused a little bit. So I'm using this thing for doing the recording as well, and got a bit confused for a while. So then you can do audio podcast over here, where you can record audio podcast and all that. I'll not go into more details about that, but you can also create a blog over here where you can just click on link. There is another one which you can use for. Actually, so you can put in a title here, right, and then put in some content here, and then you can put in an image here again, so giving you all these examples so that it's easier for you to imagine, like, what are you doing there, right? So this is a very easy way to create blogs, right? So that's blogs for you. Then the feed is a place where you can actually follow the different subject matter expert within your academy, and also share yourself, right? Even as a student or as a subject matter expert, you can create audio, video, and regular blogs over here and share immediately on the feed. My notes, on the other hand, is like a draft material which you can later on publish to people, right? Or you can share it with someone, like share it, right? Or you can add it to your micro learning module, while the feed is typically for instant sharing, right? And following other people. You also get whatever has been shared with your group's wall page over here. And finally, the fifth thing that you have over here is the my groups. My groups, what you have is you have ad hoc groups that you have created over here in your academy. There are batches which are related to particular workshops or trainings, and then there are breakout groups, which is to manage, say, the post-work modules. You want them to be done in a smaller team of 5 people, and your actual training group was having 20 people. Then breakout groups are what you create within the regular groups or batches, right? So, and all of these have a fantastic material. Like, you have, every group has its own unique video conferencing link. It also has its own, like this one, and then it also has its own wall, and it also has ability to create events. Like, you can come in here to events and create an event. You can say, okay, this is my event. Let me just take something from here, and then put in a title for event, right? And then the date of the event, and time of the event. And then you can add in some content. Welcome to our event, and here is our agenda. And then you can go ahead with your agenda over here. You could put in some images over here as well, like this over here. Yeah, yeah. So you have to select your images, yeah, and then you can just create an event over here. And once you create the event, that also comes in over here, yeah. So that event has been there, and people can register for it, or they can RSVP for it if you are a member of that particular group, yeah. And they can register for it or RSVP for it, or they can join the meeting related to that. So there is this page that you can actually share with anyone. So we saw that on the group page. You have a lot of pretty interesting stuff there. You also have a chat for every group. So if you click on this, you can see all the people you can chat with. So you can chat with any of these people, and that's the beauty. And you get push notification, and all these things that I told you about, they can also be done on a mobile app. So if you are on the go and you want to create an audio podcast, or you want to create a video, you can record and share, and all that nice stuff can happen while you are on the go as well, right? So with that, that completes our sharing, and uh, you will have a lot more details in the steps below in this particular module, right? And do go ahead and have a look at those. Yeah, and I'll see you in another video.